shaping?
In the Milton Cruisin car show, cruising on Saturday night, featuring my car.
Hit a speed bump, eh? They're really high. That's what I want to do with the Dead Boy Maverick if we ever make one. You like that?
In the Milton Cruisin car show.
Okay. So happy with headlights. Excuse me. Excuse me. When we go to the booth, that's a
Well, let me tell you what's happening already in the car show, folks. I am already getting bribed with beautiful food from the vendors all the way up and down the Main Street. Now, what I've got in front of me here, from Troy's Diner, I've got a Troy-nado, as what I've been told. Now, what it looks like is a wonderful long stick with a bunch of spiral potato chips all up and down it. Freshly deep fried for my beautiful enjoyment. This is a fantastic snack for the wet rain and the weather. It's called a Troy-nado over at Troy's Diner. Hey guys, thanks so much down there. Really appreciate it. Love the Troy-nado. Go get yourself one today.
Hi there! Today we are at the 2013 version of the Milton Cruisin on a Hot Summer Night. We're kind of trapped in the old Comet, but here it is. See, cruising on a hot summer night. Classic car show 2013 in beautiful scenic Milton. Now I try not to miss this show, and a lot of people didn't come with their cars because, well, right now we're in the car and it is raining like the end of the world.
See, look.
No, close the window, you knob. This is my son William. This is outside, and needless to say, well, it's raining. But not only is it raining, it is raining so bad that you can't even see the classic Impala that's parked in front of us. And in the back here, other than my little devil chick, you can't even see what's behind us, which is a Citroen some sort. Then you got your Thunderbird, which we seen on the side of the road when we actually came here. I think he probably wishes he just went home. You got a nice Pontiac, I guess, Bonneville. That's sweet. Yeah, it is. And then we got a little Ford Falcon, and we got like a 71 to 73 Mustang, which you can't even see. Oh, whoops, hold on. I don't even know if I'm filming here, but needless to say, this is what we're doing for the car show. It's awesome. But I'll be back next year.
You can hear some muffled tunes.
Because I do like this car show. What do you think there, Willie?
Eh.
Eh?
Eh.
Oh, it's the cool guy thing, huh? Okay, let's just listen. Without doing anything, let's just listen. That is a static on my stereo. That is a rainstorm like you wouldn't believe.
And this is cruising on a hot summer night.
And thank God, I don't even know if I can see myself here. Hold on here. Thank God, the old Comet is waterproof, sort of. So, it's good. At least I didn't have to take the time to wash it. You know what I mean? So, we got supplies, we got water, we got bags of chips, got some lobster brewing in the pot in the back, and a little portable burner.
And a record player.
And a record player. And if we get in trouble, we have the Popo. Hold on. Complete with the lights. See? So that's covered. Everything's okay. So, 2013 version of Cruisin' on a hot summer night. 2013.
It's not so much cruising.
Yeah, it's kind of sitting in the water, but that's okay. This is all part of the car show world, and I gotta be honest with you, I kind of like it. It's just something different. I'm just hoping this will rain itself out, and then we can continue on with the show. So, bye for now.
What you would say? Who?
Like the shirt.
Oh, that's a beauty.
Oh, he's got fucking bad eyesight. Yeah, right now. Oh, shit. It's okay.